Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to automate your marketing and follow-ups to save time? In this video, I'll show you how to create basic automations using EngageBay's free plan. First, go to the Marketing module and click Automation. Click Create Workflow. You'll see a visual canvas where you can build your automation. Start by setting a trigger. This is the event that starts the automation. A common free trigger is contact is added to a list. Choose a list, like new subscribers. Now, add an action. This is what happens after the trigger. A basic action is send an email. Choose a welcome email from your templates to send immediately. You can add a delay next. Wait 2 days, then add another action, like sending a follow-up email with a helpful resource. You can also add actions like add tag to categorize the contact or add to list to move them to a new segment. Name your workflow, save it, and turn it on. Now, whenever a new contact joins your list, they'll automatically receive your email sequence. And that's it. With basic triggers and actions, you can automate welcome series, lead nurturing, and simple follow-ups for free. If you create your first automation, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.